Hi Pisces, let's do a collective reading for you today. So today's the 16th of November, 2024. What does Pisces need to know, spirits? High honor. Receiving some type of reward. Imprisonment. A mature woman. So there could be some type of message coming towards you from a mature woman. Someone that could be around your age, older. This is someone that has been holding back. And I also feel like this is someone that has been feeling imprisoned in their mind about a situation, but I feel like they're going to come forwards, whoever this is in your life. This could be, as I said, a mature woman, a feminine energy, someone that could be a mother. She's someone that's watching. You've got poverty on the back of the deck. This could be someone that works for very little, someone that is paying attention to you though. Okay, Pisces, let's see what you need to be aware of today. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch the videos when you're supposed to be receiving the messages. What does Pisces need to know? The Ace of Coins, the Ace of Pentacles. Then you have the Knight of Wands. The King of Wands. The Four of Swords. The Three of Cups in the center of your reading today, Pisces. The Devil. The Sun. The Fool. And the Five of Swords. On the back of the deck, you've got the Six of Wands and the King of Coins. The Ace of Pentacles, a new beginning, a new opportunity, a new world. Spirits, what's the Ace of Coins here for Pisces? Judgment. The Three of Swords. So there's some type of new beginning after loss and heartbreak. And you've got the World. Yeah, there's a completion. There's a completion of a cycle in your energy, making a decision, waking to a call. You've got Judgment. The World. This could involve a Scorpio or Capricorn. Something that was leaving you stuck. This could be something that is an addiction, a codependency to somebody, to something. But that cycle, I feel, is closing out. That Devil energy is closing out, and there's some type of new beginning here. There's like an evolution. You're looking beautiful, Pisces. But there's this moving on from this maze, from being stuck, okay, flying over. You could have been stuck in the maze, but there's some type of divine guidance or something that has lifted you up above, rose you up above the games, a divine call. What is the Knight of Wands here? The Six of Swords. The Two of Cups. So you could be focused on stability also with the Ace of Coins coming out and the Two of Pentacles. So making a decision on what to focus on. Okay, so you are the Knight of Wands here. You are someone that's taking action, going after what you want. I also feel you're listening to your intuition. Your third eye is open. But making a decision to focus on self. You could be preparing yourself for a union also with this Two of Cups coming out. But you're leaving something that could have been manipulative, controlling, and there's this action being taken forwards as this desire and passion to find something new, to prepare for some type of union I feel coming in your life, whether this is something platonic or romantic, but you are making the decision to prepare for something new. Leaving the turbulence, okay? You could have been giving money, time, effort to a situation in the past, but there's something new that I feel is coming in. It could have something to do with a fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. They don't have to have that in their chart. What is the King of Wands here? Who is this? The Devil, Capricorn energy. So they could have Capricorn in their chart. The Knight of Swords. There's an energy watching you fight for yourself, okay? Someone that I feel sees you with your eye open. Okay, so someone that sees you as a spiritual person, someone that I feel is very attracted to you, someone that I feel sees you going after your dreams, leaving a situation and starting something new, like a rebirth. What is this King of Wands? And the King of Wands. So he could be a fire sign. He could have fire in his chart. He doesn't have to be. He could be someone that desires things, goes after them, is passionate, creative. The Four of Pentacles. Someone that could be emotionally moving towards you with the Chariot. Cancer energy could also be significant, Pisces. But there's something about some type of devil energy that they hold on to. Something that's in their energy that they hold on to. It could be whoever this is someone that feels drawn to you. They could feel like there's a chain that goes between you and them. There's something about them wanting to come forwards with some type of words about working together. They feel smug having you in their life, like they have it all when you are around them, Pisces. So I'm not sure whether this person is someone from the past or not. This is someone that is watching you, someone that is attracted to you, someone that's seeing you evolve, someone that knows you're on a spiritual journey. Maybe not everybody in your life, Pisces, knows that you're on some type of spiritual path. This person is someone that I feel is someone that is like a champion or a king at what they do, whatever they do, their craft. What is the Four of Swords? The Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles. And the Lovers. So making a choice to leave something that no longer serves you, to move into something new, something that's reliable, something that's solid, something that is healing, something that's grounding. You know, this could be with this person. There is this new beginning that you are starting in your life, Pisces. You could be in your head about this situation though, because this is someone that I feel misses the mark. Gemini energy could also be significant. But giving to this healing energy, giving to healing this connection, possibly. You do have the Three of Cups here in the center of your reading now, Pisces. So the Three of Cups, reconciliation. Let's see what we can find out. What is the Three of Cups? The Five of Swords. So yes, there could be a reconciliation or coming together with this energy, whoever this is in your life. And the Chariot. This is someone that's been holding their emotions back. Someone that I feel wants to give to you. I feel like this person hasn't been giving to anybody. They're just looking at you. Someone that wants this reconciliation. There's some type of celebration that could possibly be happening with this person. Like there's this coming together. A reunion. This person could be preparing for a reunion with you because they do want to come in. This is someone that there could have been some type of conflict with. But this person, I feel, has made a decision. They're emotionally moving towards you. This is someone that's made the choice. They could be even leaving a situation in their life, whether it's something romantic. They could be leaving a location. Cancer energy could also be significant. What is the Devil? The Devil keeps coming up around that energy, around this person. So this person could be stuck at the moment. There's something leaving them stuck. What is the Devil? Could be a relationship, a situation, a thing. You've got the Hanged Man. They're feeling stuck in a situation where they're not receiving anything. They're not even receiving water. There's a snake there. So whatever they have in their life, it's like there's someone manipulating them and like taking from them. What is the Devil? The Seven of Swords. They could be breaking the chains in that, you know, leaving that situation. With the Seven of Swords, though, in the Rider-Waite, someone does see this person leaving. But they're leaving something that could have been toxic, that they felt stuck in. Someone that is breaking the chains. Someone that could have cut that out. I feel like they've left some type of toxic energy or situation. Could be an addiction. Could be sexual. But they're cutting something out here that's leaving them stuck. So you have the Sun, the Fool, and the Five of Swords. What is the Sun? The Four of Wands in reverse. What is the Sun? The Star. So I feel like they're releasing something in their life, whether it is, as I said, a relationship, a addiction, something that they could be codependent on. What is the Sun? And the Page of Swords. Learning. Could be even a frame of mind. You know, they could be learning to let go of conflict in their life, let go of negativity, because you've got the Sun coming out here. There's like happiness. The Sun is the Yes card. Leo energy could be significant. Being with you, I feel, is healing. Children could also be a factor. There could be something to do with children. The color yellow. Leo energy, but this is like a divine connection. Okay, there's some type of reunion, coming together, starting something new, learning. Someone that I feel has been holding back, but I feel like they're learning to let go of control. Someone that looks at you like a wish fulfillment, and possibly this could be something that, you know, you've got the Four of Wands. I feel like they could be leaving a relationship or a situation, but they're choosing you. And I feel this person could possibly want to get married to you in the future. That could possibly be down the track. Something about a delay of a celebration. There needs to be truth told for this commitment. But I feel like there is happiness of like this coming together with this energy and moving forwards on a new cycle. What is the Fool? The Ace of Pentacles. So there's that Ace of Pentacles. The Five of Cups. So this person's ready to embark on a new venture in the future. I feel like they could be possibly getting over a situation in their life that they could have been giving to. It could be a relationship, something to do with stability, something that was giving them stability in their life, but it was something that was also leaving them stuck. I also feel this person's ready to take this new venture, but they're still hurting. There's something about them needing to go deep within for answers. You've got the Hermit coming out. So they're looking at the situation that they're leaving. So even though they want to start this new beginning with you, Pisces, they're ready to start this new beginning. They're excited to start this new beginning. There is still something that I feel they hold on to that's from the past, something that they are leaving, something that's over in their life. And I feel that there's a lot of focus on it. They're not focusing on what's in front of them, even though they want to take this new beginning. What is the Five of Swords? What is this Five of Swords? The Ace of Wands. What is the Five of Swords? The Nine of Swords. And the Four of Cups. So there's something about... There could possibly be a conflict that arises with this person. You've got the fives coming out. There's a change. Someone that doesn't want to feel their emotions. There's something that they don't tell you. But the thing is, though, they're ready to start this new beginning. I feel like there was a lot of conflict. I feel like they walked alone, or there was no communication or very little communication between you and this energy for a period of time. But I feel like there is change, okay? As much as this person is feeling some type of misfortune or sorrow or hurt as they're starting this new beginning with you, they do want this, okay? They do want this passionate new beginning with you, because I feel like when they're not in your life, there's something about them not being able to sleep over the situation. There's this thoughts about missing that opportunity with you, and they don't want to miss it. They don't want to miss this opportunity again. Okay, Pisces, let's do these two cards on the back of the deck for what you don't see. Sorry if you can hear people next door, Pisces. Okay. So you have the Six of Wands and the King of Coins. What is the Six of Wands? What is the Six of Wands for Pisces? The World. So victory and success, okay? You're leaving, I feel, the conflict, the confusion. I feel like things have changed. You've got the Two of Cups in reverse and the Six of Swords in reverse. And the Ten of Cups. You're closing the cycle out. I feel like there's a lot of focus on something in the material world in your life. I feel that there's some type of success that will be coming. There's something that you're doing alone, not with this person. You've also got the Six of Swords in reverse. So I also feel there's going to be success in this thing that I feel like there's this going back to, okay? I feel like maybe at first things might be a bit crazy, might be a bit hectic, might be a bit full on, but I feel things will start to settle down. And I feel like there's some type of success that you're going to be getting that you're doing yourself. It could be coming from this mature woman. There's like some type of high honor. Just as you're like, I feel happy, you're comfortable, relaxing with your family. Tell us more about the Six of Wands. Tell us more about the Six of Wands. The King of Wands. This mature woman could be this person from the past, okay? They don't actually have to be feminine. They could just be sitting in the feminine energy of the receiver, because you have the King of Wands coming out. There's someone that wants that success with you. There's someone that is watching you, seeing you build things around you. And I don't feel like you're leaving that situation. I feel like there could be this closing of a cycle, but starting something new. What is the King of Coins? Take what resonates for you, Pisces, and leave the rest. You've got the 10 of Cups. Oh my goodness, the people next door are like yelling. You've got the 3 of Swords. So this person is ready to give to you. This person could be a father. They could be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, with the King of Pentacles coming out. This is someone that's a boss. They may like to even dress nice, but there's something to do with a heartbreak about a relationship in their life. There's a cycle that has been closed. So whether that cycle was a cycle that they had with you in the past, that they could have involved another person in the situation, but there was some type of karmic cycle that I feel that has closed, and there's something new that's starting, and I feel like there's some type of good fortune with it. You've got the 7 of Swords on the back of the deck. They're leaving something, but you may not. You got the Devil again. Something toxic in their life. They're leaving it, but they may not tell you about it. They may keep that hidden from you for the time being. Okay, Pisces. Let's grab you out 2 music messages. We got 3. So we have Hair, Little Mix, New Flame, Chris Brown, Money, That's What I Want, Barrett Strong. So there's something to do with money here. You've got New Flame. That reminds me of that Ace of Wands. I feel like there's some type of new cycle, okay? It doesn't have to be somebody new. I feel like it's somebody in your life that you've could have closed out some type of cycles with. I feel this person's leaving something in their life where there was some type of misfortune, something that left them stuck, and they're coming towards you. So possibly for some, it could be a new person, but I feel like for a lot of you, this is someone that's already in your energy. I did say like that King of Coins, the King of Pentacles is really coming out in that King of Wands energy for this person. So fire and earth, something to do with them being driven by their career or money. They like to dress nice. You've also got that coming out. Pisces, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you all for coming to my reading. If this is your first time, welcome. Just remember, all my readings are timeless. So if you ever want to check out my channel, there's a playlist for Pisces. I'm also doing personal readings. So if you'd like a personal reading from me, check out the link in the description below. But I love you all so much. I hope you all have a great day. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye-bye.